In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create stunning social media posts. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video so others can find it. So first things first, go ahead and open Canva. In today's video, I am going to be using Canva Pro just because of all the amazing features that Canva Pro has, but you can also try this out with whichever version of Canva you have. So after you open Canva, the first thing that you're going to see is going to be this main screen right here, and you have a big magnifying glass, this little search bar where you can type in whichever template it is that you want to use. So let's say we want to create a post for Instagram. I'm going to simply type in Instagram, and as you can see, it's showing me different options. I can create an Instagram post, a story, a reel, or a real video, but it's just the same thing. So I'm going to click on Instagram post, and now if we scroll down, you're going to see different templates that you can use for your social media post. So let's say I really like this post. I think it's great for introducing myself. This one is really fun. If you are like a fashion content creator, you're going to see so many different templates that you can use for your Instagram page. And honestly, it just makes the editing process so much easier. So I'm going to quickly pick this one right here. And as you can see, if you select it, it's going to also show you different templates that you can use, but that you might like better. So for example, I selected this one and this one just caught my eye. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to select customize this template. So obviously this is not me. So I'm going to simply click on this person and delete this picture and also this one right here. And I'm going to select upload to upload a new picture of myself. To do that, you can simply click on upload files and you will automatically see all your pictures. After you find the picture of yourself that you like, you can simply remove the background by clicking on the picture and clicking on background remover. If you want to make the picture bigger, you can simply drag out the corners of your image to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm also going to add another image right here. I'm going to center it, and that's it. Now all that you need to do is to start customizing your images. You can just add the information that you want to add, your brand information, your business, or in this case, I'm going to simply just edit this and add my personal information. And when you're done, you can simply click on share and download. And now you have a perfectly good Instagram post that you can share with your followers. Hope that helped.